I would say the typical student experience at Arkansas Virtual Academy is very unique. The career-focused classes are a great preparation for life and for the job place. They really utilize project-based learning where students are working together on projects that very much simulate the workplace and really even college experiences. There's so much power behind the internships and experiences, hands-on learning that our students do that really propels them forward for where they're headed. The academic challenge is still very much there and somewhat more so in the virtual environment. There's also still the opportunity to have social interaction, which most people don't recognize or understand. We have multiple student outings. We do the vast majority of our courses through video face-to-face instruction with teachers, and they can see the other students in their classes. So it's very, very similar to the experience in brick and mortar with just a much more individualized approach. We have several career clubs at ARVA. All of our clubs do compete nationally. We offer FFA, formerly Future Farmers of America. It's the very first FFA chapter to be sanctioned virtually in the nation. We have DECA, the first virtual chapter to compete nationally, and Skills USA, and we just recently launched our National Honor Society. At Arkansas Virtual Academy, we have partnerships with Southern Arkansas University, and our students are able to take college-level courses with the university in most of the basic college courses they would take in their first year, things like English composition, college algebra, and our students have been very successful in earning those credits and really getting sort of a head start or a foot forward for college. We are really fortunate to have some great partnerships with local businesses. We currently have students working with Walmart and Tyson, setting up some internships with JB Hunt. Most of the industry in the state, we've been able to build relationships with and reach out to get experiences hands-on for our students.